The Roomba 205 Dust Compactor presents a modern and minimalist aesthetic. Its cleaning capabilities are driven by a combination of camera and LiDAR for navigation, resulting in exceptional performance, even around obstacles and in tight spaces, down to 35 centimeters. The robot intelligently maps and cleans room by room, following a logical perimeter-then-zigzag pattern, viewable in the accompanying app. This model features a powerful suction of up to 7,000 Pascals and a mop with adjustable water dosage for mopping. Users can customize cleaning through the app with 4 suction levels and 3 mopping levels, including a Smartscrub mode for more intensive mopping. While the mopping function effectively maintains cleanliness, its simple mopping pad design is less robust than dual rotating systems. The Roomba 205 is well suited for mid-sized apartments, offering good battery life for its intended use. The app allows for the creation of cleaning routines, although accessing these now requires slightly more interaction than previous versions. The app itself is well designed and user-friendly, with enhanced smart home integration features. In a departure from recent trends, this model requires manual emptying of the dustbin, which, due to its efficient compaction, is needed less frequently.